how to show or hide voicemail notification content on the lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then open up the phone app. From here, tap on the More button, then tap on Settings. In Call Settings, we go down and tap on Voicemail. From here, tap on Notifications. Next, tap on Lock Screen. And then from the pop-up, you can choose Show Content or Hide Content or Don't Show Notifications. So select the option that you would like to use and then tap on the home button or the back key to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.